To begin your Prezi, click the New Prezi button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Make sure that you have a good internet connection before you start making your Prezi. It's important that you are connected to the internet so that you can make and use the Prezi templates. When it is done loading, you'll have the option to choose your template. You can search for a specific template, or you can select more, or you have access to all of the free templates that Prezi offers. When you find one that you like, select it, and then you just click the Use Template button at the bottom left. Today we're going to be going over the basic functions of Prezi, and once you understand all of these functions, you'll be able to create your own. First, go over to the left and start to click on the frames along the side. These frames are going to take you one by one to the different slides of your presentation. It's good to get an idea of how the flow of your presentation is going to be. And you can always edit the path if you don't like it by selecting Edit Path and moving things around. If you're fine with it, you can begin to add your title. All you have to do is click on the text and start to type. We're going to call ours How to Use Prezi. So just to review, step 1. Next, select the next slide that you want to work on. Like we said, the first step to creating a Prezi is to practice zooming in and out of the frames, and then you can edit them and change the pathway or add new frames to your Prezi. When you're finished with your first slide, you can move on to the second one. For step 2, we're going to be talking about font. You can add all of your subtitles and all of your body text. It's very easy to change and format your text. You can select the size, style, format, and even color of your text. All of these functions can be done by using the buttons on the toolbar above. So I'm just demonstrating quickly, changing color. I demonstrated changing style here with bolding and then adding bullets if you wanted to. You can also center your font. And all you have to do is just click on the text box and you can start to type. Now we're going to move on to step 3. For step 3, we're going to show you how to add images, symbols, and diagrams to your slides. You can import images straight from Google without navigating away from the Prezi page. The Google toolbar will show up on the right-hand side, and you can search for anything. So you go to Insert at the top of the Prezi page, and as you can see, the Google toolbar shows up on the right. In the search bar, type whatever kind of image you're looking for. We'll look for a baseball. When you find one that you like, you double click. It'll show up inside of the frame of your Prezi. Once it loads, you'll be able to move it around freely, make it larger, make it smaller. You can also do this by pulling the corners, and you can rotate it around if you want to change the orientation of your image. I'm just going to put it over here, and then we will demonstrate how to insert a symbol. Symbols are pre-made images. They're pretty simple. They can also be found on the right-hand side by clicking Insert at the top of the Prezi bar. And then again, you just double click. You can make it larger, move it around. All of the same functions for the images. Next, you can add in a diagram. There are quite a few, so if you were demonstrating like the water cycle or something like that in your slide, you pick one that works best for you, select it, double click it, and then again it's easy to format, easy to resize. And you can add text into these. They actually then become additional frames, so you can see there's a little number 7 there, so that would be the 7th pathway. Now if you wanted this to be, for example, the 5th pathway, you'd have to change that by using the edit path function that we talked about at the beginning. So now on to step 4. Step 4, we're going to be talking about adding video to your Prezi. You can do this by using YouTube, and all you need to do is get a YouTube link for a video. So once you find the link that you want to use, you just need to copy and paste it from YouTube into the YouTube video importing tab right here and press insert. And then this video can also be resized and freeformed, moved around, anything you want, and you can actually play it right on Prezi. It doesn't have to navigate away or open another browser window. This is really convenient if you're doing a presentation that requires a lot of video. So now you just want to make sure that you save your Prezi. It does automatically save periodically, but I always like to save it just in case. And then you can always share it. So you can share it on Facebook, you can download it as a PDF, and now you're ready to present. You present by just clicking the arrows along the bottom of the screen once it goes full screen. And as you can see, it moves around pretty seamlessly to every single one of your slides. And that's how you create a Prezi. Now it's your turn. Give it a try.